Hi, my name is Daryl. I'm a Senior Product Specialist with MedMart. I'm here today with a unique patented product called the Human Floor Lift. This product here comes in two versions. It comes in a 300-pound capacity, also in a 400-pound version as well. The purpose of this product is to help a person get up from the floor in case of a fall, either with the assistance of a caregiver or relative, and or depending upon the capability of the end user on their own. This goes up to 21 inches, which allows for an easy transfer to a bed, a wheelchair, or a chair, or even many cases, a person will be able to get up and transfer into a walker or into a walking position. I'm going to go over some of the features here for you. This is very easy to roll and to store, as you can see. I'm going to simply show how this product works. This has a rechargeable battery with the easy up and down button. The IndeeLift Human Floor Lift also has an easy to use remote. We could go over the up and down features. As you can see, it's going to go up and down slowly. It's done this way intentionally. Another great feature of the IndeeLift Human Floor Lift is the ease of a lateral transfer from the lift onto a wheelchair. I'll simply show you how you do this. You flip up the arms. Have with me a transfer board. You're going to have your user, your patient right here. Simply slide it over. Be able to aid the person and transfer them over onto the wheelchair. For more information on the IndeeLift Human Floor Lift, feel free to give us a call at 888-260-4430, or you can visit us at medmart.com.